This is a new episode with Roma and Diana. Hi, my name is Diana, and today we are cleaning up our toys. We have so many toys in our playroom that it's time to sort them out. I want to get rid of those toys that I don't need anymore and take better care of my beloved ones. Oh, look at this fluffy puppy. You look so cute. Thank you. It's time to tidy up the toys. Let's start. Hi, my name is Roma. And today, we going to have a lot of fun because we cleaning up all our toys. Then, we will find out which of them we don't need anymore. Don't worry, we will take good care of them. Diana has a lot of beautiful dolls. Some of them live in the dollhouse, but there are also many others. It's time to bring order to this place. Put all the dolls on the bed so we can comb their hair. Do you like braiding? Me too. And I love styling my doll's hair. I think these two dolls need a haircut. They've grown their hair long since spring and now it's time to make them a little shorter. Got it? Well done. Your hair looks great. Now let's dress them up. Look how pretty they are. All the dolls are ready. Now put them back into the boxes. They will feel safer that way. But wait, what's this? There's a box full of baby dolls. It's time for them to take a bath. Running water from the tap, add some foam, put the dolls inside and gently wash them. The foam is ready. These dolls need our help. Let's give each of them a massage. Be careful not to get water in their eyes. They'll be very surprised when they see how clean they are after the bath. Let's dry them with this big towel. I know you love this game. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, one doll is still wet. Let's finish drying them. Now all the baby dolls are completely dry. Well done. Give each of them a warm smile. Such sweethearts. Let's dress them up and put them back in the box. Our work here is done. I'm so glad we were able to help these cuties. Now let's go to the next corner. What's this? Teddy bears. How many of you are there? I bet there must be at least 20. Look how fluffy you are. You look so cool. And you're such a handsome bear. Can you hear that? My heart can't take it anymore. So many teddy bears. Let's arrange them on the beds. There are so many of you. Oh, I won't have enough time to hug each of you. But don't worry, I'll come back to you later. We'll have plenty of time to play. For now, it's time to clean up. Oh, this teddy bear has a torn ear. Oh, my God. Don't worry, buddy. I'll sew up your ear. And do you need some new clothes? This bear is completely bald. I wonder if he would like to have a stylish hat. Yes, it looks great. You're the coolest bear now. And you, my dear, would you like to wear this beautiful dress? You're looking gorgeous. I really like the new bow in your hair. This teddy bear has lost an eye. Let's sew it back on. Looks like he's feeling a bit better now. Let's play with him. 1, 2, 3. Hooray! And the rest of the bears, they're all fine. Let's send them back to the shelves. I'll definitely come back to my favorite teddy bears. And you can bet we'll have lots of fun then. While tidying up the room, Diana found her old toy piano. She was so happy because she hasn't seen it for a long time. And of course, she invited her friend Roma over for a tea party. After drinking some tea and eating delicious cookies, the girls decided to put on a fashion show for their dolls. What beautiful dresses they turned out to be. And Diana even made a beautiful hat for one of the dolls. They were so proud of themselves. The next day, the girl went to the playground near her house and picked up a small kitten. It was so tiny and cute that she immediately fell in love with it. Of course, she took it home and gave it milk and food. Then she needed to find a house for the kitten because it couldn't stay in the room with Diana. The girl looked everywhere, but she couldn't find the right place for the animal. That's why she decided to ask her mom for help. She explained everything to her and asked her to buy a house for the kitten. Mom promised to think about where she could put the animal. Meanwhile, the kitten played with Diana and Roma. They built a house for it from the designer-esque cubes and spent all their free time with it. Soon, Mom came back with a big cardboard box and placed it in the room. When Diana opened the lid, she saw a cozy house for the kitten inside. The girls were so happy. They took it out in the garden and put the kitten inside. It was so cute. It looked out from under its roof and purred loudly. Then Diana and Roma waved to it and said goodbye. The kitten meowed and watched the girls leave. It liked its new house very much. One day Diana was playing with her friends outside. They were spinning, jumping and just having fun until suddenly Diana felt something strange in the sky. At first it seemed like a snowflake to her, but it was moving too fast. Then the girl looked up and saw a shooting star. She closed her eyes and made a wish. When she opened them again, she noticed a small butterfly sitting on her hand. It had huge multicolored wings and looked very beautiful. Diana wanted to touch it, but the butterfly flew away. Then the girl ran home and told everything to her mom. She said that she wanted to become an artist who paints beautiful pictures and can travel all around the world. Mom hugged her and promised to support her in everything. Diana believed her and went to draw pictures for her future exhibitions. She painted a big colorful butterfly on one of them. It reminded her of the one that landed on her hand. Diana's drawings turned out to be so beautiful that soon she was invited to the city's art gallery. She hung up her pictures on the walls and waited for the visitors. When they started coming to the gallery, Diana got very nervous. What if nobody likes her drawings? But when the people saw her paintings, they praised her and even bought some of them. The girl was so happy. She couldn't believe that she can be a professional artist. After the exhibition, Diana packed up her things and went home. On the way, she sat down on a bench and saw a butterfly sitting on a flower nearby. It was exactly the same one that landed on her hand before. Diana smiled and continued walking. One day, Diana received a package in the mail. She was very surprised because no one sent her anything. When she opened it, she found a beautiful purple umbrella inside. It was decorated with golden stars. The girl didn't understand why she got such a strange gift. She thought maybe it was a mistake and someone else was supposed to get it. But then she heard a knock on the door. Diana opened it and saw a woman standing in front of her. She was holding an umbrella and smiling. "Hello, Diana. I'm your fairy godmother. And this umbrella is a magic one. With it, you can travel anywhere you want. Are you dreaming of seeing the northern lights? Just close your eyes, think of a place and click your umbrella. It can also protect you from bad weather. Do you want to take a walk in the park? Take this umbrella with you. Is it cold outside? Use this umbrella as a blanket. Oh, wow. It's so cool. Thank you. And you can give me any other gift. Maybe a puppy or a kitten. No, I'd like to spend more time with you. Come on, I'll show you some tricks this umbrella can do." Diana and her fairy godmother went to the park. Suddenly it started raining heavily. Close your eyes and click the umbrella. Wow, the rain stopped. It's even sunny now. It's amazing. But let's try something else. Click. Nothing happened. Why? Because you need to close your eyes when you're making a wish. Try again. Close your eyes and click the umbrella. You can open them now. Isn't it cool? Soon the girls got home. Diana was so grateful to her fairy godmother for visiting her. She promised to take good care of the umbrella. The fairy waved her magic wand and disappeared. Diana sat down at the table and took out her drawing pad. She had so many ideas that she couldn't wait to start painting. First, she drew a girl holding a magical umbrella. It was Diana herself. Next, she drew a rainbow that appeared after the rain. And finally, she drew a mysterious fairy godmother. Diana liked the picture very much. She knew that someday she would become a famous artist.